Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use goodnotes 5 for completely beginners. So now let's get into guys. So this you have the plus icon in which you have like new written away. So what you can do is you can choose any of the folders like what I am using currently, the folder one, or you can choose the notebook one. After creating the folder or notebook, you can arrange them according to the date, name or type on end there. If you select those, you can choose them either in the listed format or in this type of format, like the default format. And I'm currently using this type because I like the in this way. And if anyone using notability, you can use if you guys don't want to use this type of default view, you can use this type of listed format also. Now see the in the corner guys, there's a small gear like options is there. If you choose this, you have different type of notebook template setting. There are different type of options are there. And if you choose the notebook templates guys, you have there's variety of cover options are there. You can choose any of these guys, any of these are different types of patterns. you know there's different types guys, you can choose any of this. Now let's come to the the paper one guys. If you choose the paper one, like the cover options are there. You can choose the squared one, you can choose the dotted one, you can choose the ruled one guys. And for writing, if you want to use like the column one, also you can choose this type of thing. Okay, see. And this guys, if you want to use on a landscape or portrait, you can choose from any of that. I'm currently using the portrait one. So this guys, and if you choose the goodness standards or dark paper, you have the options are there. The paper color, you can choose the paper color for yellow, white, dark, or I'm choosing all because I'm to choose. You can choose any of the paper color. And there are the goodness standard. The different types of standard like A4, A7, A6, A5, A4, A3. I'm choosing the standard option guys. Okay, so this is all about the good notebook templates. Now let's click on the gear option again. So we have now the setting option. In settings we have different like handwriting recognition, document editing, stylus, and palm rejection. So let's go to the handwriting recognition. You can choose the default language. I'm using the English one guys. And document editing section, we have different types of options are there. Okay, you can automatic screen lock, status bar, pull to add page. This option is guys, you can add I can add a new page while if you want to like just like pull. Yeah, I'll show you guys in later when you understand it better. Okay, now this is the in the corner section guys, there is the tick type of small icon is there. If you choose any of this, then it can export, duplicate, move, or delete the entire folder. Now let's make a new folder guys for your convenience, for your better understanding. So what I do is I click the new what is this new option. So there is notebook and folder, so I want to make a new folder. Okay, so now I'll create new folder. You can name any of this, I am just showing it guys. So new folder, and then I want to make a notebook. I choose you can choose any of the covers guys, like I previously said. So okay, let's choose this. Now in the paper section guys, you can choose I want to use the square paper and the dark one. So the title, you can choose the title guys here. So I'm choosing good notes tutorial here. Then create. create. Now you have the whole new page to you guys. I'm showing you again. You can make a new folder from the plus icon. You make the new folder, and in the folder section you can choose different type of notebooks also, or you can choose different types of new folder also. So I am going to show you by creating a new notebook. So I created the goodnotes in a new notebook format. Now inside the notebook format, guys, you have this option, guys. Think this is the option where you access the toolbar for writing, highlighting if you are using the PDF, guys. So this is the thing, guys. The first one I'm going to show you is the pen option, guys. You can choose, this is the color, pen color. You can choose different type of color from this. I'm choosing this one. Okay, you can zoom in also, guys. So I do hello, guys. This is what I okay. So now you can choose different colors from this. Now the second one is the eraser one. So what you can do, so this is, guys, if you double click it, you have the erase highlighter only option. If you choose this, see, if I'm using this and I want to erase only the highlighter, also work like this. And if not, this I can deselect it, guys, and then use it like this. Now the highlighter option, guys, like I say, you can choose any of the colors from this option. See, now this, guys, this is the shape one, guys, shape tool. See, if you want to any, okay, see, this is the fill color is there. If you want to know, see, if you choose any, it can make shape it like this, guys. So it is very useful when you draw anything for your studies or taking notes. Now if you want to fill color, guys, there is an option like fill color. If you choose this one, see, if you choose this one, it become, see, this is the lightest, I'm going to erase this, guys. Okay, so these are the options, guys. Okay, so this is the three dot, guys. Okay, so you're from scrolling direction, you can choose horizontal or vertical. Okay, so it's a plus icon is there, guys, plus, in which you can add more page, you can choose any new templates. Okay, and from scrolling, you can choose this option. Okay, so this is all about the tutorial, guys. Hope you like it.